guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is finally the day where I clean out my closet because ever since I moved in here about, I don't even want to tell you, a month and a half ago, this has been what it's looked like. So we are going to tackle this head on, and I'm not gonna take out everything because if you guys saw my last closet clean out, I took out literally everything and it was just the most overwhelming experience of my life. I might have made like a large mistake in taking everything out. Well, basically I'm gonna take out everything like on the ground, I think is like my game plan. I also just got a clothing rack, so that has alleviated some of the clothes that are in here. Still have like boxes from when I was moving that I haven't unpacked. So yeah, we're gonna go through this and it's gonna be amazing. It's gonna be a great before and after. I can already picture it and I'm very excited. So I'm gonna be organizing this as well as like getting rid of some of my clothes, and I'm gonna be like donating it and stuff because there's clothes in here that I can definitely donate and get rid of. So as I'm organizing it, I'm also gonna be like getting rid of stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna take you guys through this process and I hope you guys will enjoy this video. So let's get on into it. Okay, so I'm basically gonna, that was not a word. Okay, so I'm basically gonna just remove everything that is on the ground here. I have these things that doesn't belong in here, and I have just random clothes that somehow just got on the bottom of my closet. So we're gonna put those on hangers. I'm just gonna basically take everything out and put it on my bed. So let's go ahead and do that.
May you always find your way to higher ground. May you always keep your head held up high. Pretty little thing.
Okay, now that everything is cleared out on the ground, I'm gonna go ahead and start hanging everything that I want to keep on a hanger and then just hanging it up so that I can see what I have and we can go from there. But yeah, I think that'll be a good idea because there's a lot of clothes that were just on the ground that need to be hung up. So let's do that. So just so you guys can see, this is everything that I took out from the bottom of my closet. It's quite a bit of stuff.
You're a diamond in the rough, shining from within. I can tell that you're tough. Ordering a cup of love, feel it rising up and above. You will always keep my heart and soul strong. Plant your seeds and watch them grow. The light will always know where to go. You will always keep my heart and soul strong.
Okay, so I think I'm gonna do dresses over here, and then maybe like my long overalls can go over there as well. And I don't know. Okay, so I think I'm gonna do t-shirts up there possibly. So let me just grab all my t-shirts because that's like the majority of my clothing, honestly. So let's just start with that.
Baby, you're my future and you are my past. Pretty little thing, you're a diamond in the rough.
Okay, so before I go too much further, I think I'm just gonna go do a big sweep through and see what I want to get rid of. That way I don't have to like move everything around. I can just move the things that I want to keep around. So already I think I'm gonna get rid of this. This is like one of my first jean jackets, and I actually did a video on my channel a long time ago on how I distress this, like on my second channel. So yeah, I'm gonna get rid of this sadly, but I have a ton of other jean jackets. But I am gonna put stuff on my Poshmark, so if you guys wanna grab it, then definitely do so. It's from Gap. Okay, I think I'm gonna get rid of this just because I haven't worn it in a while and it's definitely summery, and I feel like by then I'll have like other summer dresses, so I'm gonna get rid of this. Okay, I also think I'm gonna get rid of this. This was from Urban Outfitters and I just haven't worn it in a while, so I'm gonna give this away. I think I'm gonna get rid of this as well because I didn't wear it all last summer and it's not even summertime anymore, so this one has to go. Also, I literally haven't worn this in like 3 years, but each time I try to get rid of it, I'm like, I don't know, maybe I'll wear it, but I think this one has to go. Same with this one. I haven't worn this one in a few years, and I just think that somebody else, I don't know, it's so cute though. Maybe I'm gonna keep it one more year. We're gonna see. Okay, this one I also never wear, but I always hold on because I feel like, you know, one night I might wanna wear it, but I just have not worn it in forever, so she gone. And then this one is Tommy Hilfiger, and I never really wore this one. It's a little bit small, so I think I'm gonna get rid of this one. And then I have these 3 items that I got from Hawaii that are very much like Hawaiian vibes. So I feel like, I don't know, I feel like I shouldn't keep them all, but they all hold a dear place in my heart. So I don't know. I think I'm definitely gonna keep the yellow one. And then, I don't know. This is hard. I'm gonna keep the yellow one because I haven't actually worn that one yet. I feel like this one might come in handy more than this one. I don't know, I'm gonna keep them all. I don't really care. I'm gonna wait till next summer and to see if I go on vacation somewhere, and I might bring these along as well. So we're just gonna hold on to them just for a little bit more. So since I don't have a dresser, I actually sold my old one at my old place. I need to find a place to put all of like my bottoms and like my pajamas and underwear and bras and stuff like that. So I have a bunch of these like containers. I have 3 of these ones, and then I have like a bunch of these ones. So I don't know exactly like the best way to organize them, but I'm just gonna start putting them into these and see what fits. There's like a lot of shelving in my closet, but I just don't have like a dresser. So we're gonna make this work and figure it out. Okay, so I started off with my dresses over here, and then I have my long sleeve shirts and sweaters, and then over here I have more long sleeve shirts, and then these are my short sleeve shirts, and then my Hawaiian shirts are at the end, and then I ended up putting my t-shirts down here just because they fit nicely and it didn't like drag on the ground, so I put those right there. And then over here I actually ended up stacking the 2 shelves, that way I could have more room for like hanging stuff. So I think that worked really nicely. And then right here we have my workout stuff. And then these 2 are my tops for pajamas, and then my bottoms for pajamas. Then over here are my socks, underwear, and bras. And then up here we just have all of my bottoms. So we have black jeans, regular jeans, jean shorts, like other bottoms, and then shorts. And then right up here we have hats and belts. And then everything that you see up on the top is just like all random stuff. It doesn't really have like a place, so that's the place that it belongs. Video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'm so excited that my closet is finally cleaned. This has been a long time coming, so I'm very excited that I can enjoy this, and I think I did a pretty good job on it. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. So I've done 2 other organizing videos. I've done a clean my whole apartment with me, as well as I did another closet clean out at my old place. So if you guys want to see like a different type of setup, I had a longer closet that wasn't a walk-in, and this is like my first walk-in closet. So yeah, they're different setups. So if you guys want to see that one, I will leave it linked down below. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Peace.